good? God is great. Thank you for another day. We back with another banger! Yeah! We back with another banger. We coming to y'all again with another slime challenge.
Banger!
Where we're gonna make some slime. This time, we came prepared. We got...
They're so loud.
We definitely loud, gang. We got a whole thing of the glue ski.
And we got activator. And we got more food coloring.
Yeah, more food coloring. So we're gonna make different colors. We're gonna make sure that we make it right this time. Make sure that, we have shaving cream, but you don't really need shaving cream.
You guys,
But you
so
can try something if you want to use it.
I got pink, I got a great purple, and I got white.
Come
Who wants to show the colors next?
Here, I'll show my colors.
Okay.
The colors I picked were navy blue. Let's see if you can see that. Navy blue ski. And teal.
I chose
Those
three.
colors I chose.
Okay, it's your turn to show your colors.
Okay, I chose yellow,
Yeah, that was
And,
like favorite.
sky blue.
It looks like you were doing that song on the car.
Y'all
I
are
don't know.
so
I think we should.
loud.
I think we should do it again right here. Back with another back. All right, we gotta say back with another. Here we go. We back with another banger. Chandler went downstairs real quick while we was saying it.
I keep going down more and more.
All right, so we did this before once.
It was actually a success.
It wasn't bad.
But my slime got hard and I had to throw it away.
Probably because she left the top open. If y'all watched the other slime video, she had a cap for it. She left it open and it dried out.
This
That's
time-
what mine too.
This time I want to try a
Oh,
little.
frick.
So I want to just do a little glue and a little activator. And let's see how it works.
Dad,
Let's make sure it works first.
we need a
You want to try shaving cream with this one too?
Nah.
So right now we're going to do clear glue with the activator. Chenny want to try shaving cream. We'll try that next.
actually I don't.
Move all this stuff out the way, gang.
Like what even is this stuff, bro?
Like what even is this stuff, gang?
Like what?
Why is there a red juice right here?
Shout out to Elmer's for the glue.
Shout out to whatever this dang brand is.
Amazon Basics.
Amazon Basics!
Yeah, let's try it. Go for it.
What? That fast?
Yeah, I really want to fly. That fast.
Do random colors. I'm gonna do grass green.
Oh, can I do another color too?
I'm
Can
gonna do a
I?
random. No, I'm just going one color for this. For our test.
I'm having a little bit more activator also. I'm still kind of sticky.
Good idea.
Oops.
Can I keep mixing?
Yeah, go for it.
Probably put too much activator.
It feels so good. Also, you guys
Want to add
don't
shaving cream or no?
Yeah, well, try it.
do not try shaving cream. If last time you made it and you added shaving cream and you added too much and it was like mine.
I'm gonna do way
Don't
less than
add
what we did
shaving
last time.
Okay. Also, you guys have two mosquito bites, like bitch.
Got a cap on it.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah.
I didn't know.
So did the shaving cream make it better, or
It made it like more stretchy.
you want to try some more of this?
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I had this.
I don't want to do my
too much acty.
Cause you
We got too much act.
act.
But it's not horrible, I guess.
Back when
Yeah, it's horrible. It's terrible. It won't even like go into, throw this away. Trash. There we go.
That was actually booty.
That was booty cheeks.
I'm gonna
But now we know.
It was booty cheeks. It was booty cheeks.
Now we know that it's pretty good.
Now we
We sure
know.
did that the first time, or looked at a tutorial.
No, we know how to do it before. We just tested stuff.
We sure I did. Looked at a tutorial last time. Dad, remember when you put that dog that says slime continues dripping?
Yeah.
You were like this. It was.
All right, Kenny. Now y'all switch spots. We're gonna let her take over for this first go round. For the second go round. I want her over there so they can see her really good. Now you come down here first. Cause you can really reach up on the counter. Yeah.
Well, can I?
We're gonna let her get this party going.
That's a lot, Dad.
It's time.
What's an
I
activator?
keep moving. How much?
Just tell your brother here till you inside.
I don't want to add too much.
Okay, we'll just start with that. Let's start mixing.
Ugh, that's so much glue.
It's starting.
I need you to get all of that glue in that activator and stuff too. All this in the egg.
Yes.
Come right back, get it. Come right back, get it. Come right back, get it. Come right back, get it.
I don't think that's how. Actually, oh, it is.
She just made it. She's
That is not what you're supposed to do.
okay. I'll worry about the rest of this.
Oh my gosh, it's actually turning into a hot light, seriously.
It is. I wonder if the camera can see that.
You guys need to see it. It's literally
So is this yours or is this mine?
Literally turned
That's
into a
yours.
heart.
That's yours.
Carter over there getting started on his slime. Slime ball!
trying to get the slime off my hands.
Talk about a slime ball!
What's a slime ball? I don't know.
Kenny, what color you want to use?
Y'all got some food coloring. It's gonna look like a beach. Add some sand. Put it on there.
That's supposed to be non-stained food color, so it shouldn't stain your hands like it did last time.
That's just
Yeah, I don't know about that, Dad.
color.
Well, look
That's
at the
just,
green did stain mine, so.
that's just a slime color. I think. It's still sticking.
I'm gonna mix it. If you keep on mixing it, it'll
It'll
shut up.
Look, Kenny.
Mommy, did you
Dang.
see it? Huh.
Come on.
Look at that. He was right, look.
I told you.
Check. Carter is the slime master, apparently.
No, he's the slime master and I'm the splash master.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so you're
Now
not.
you can come back over here to your pizza dough. You can put color in it if you want. What one you want?
Mine is
I'll bring that
bouncy.
spot up.
I want pink first.
Mine is
Pink
bouncy.
first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. I need to. Can I wash my hands now?
You can if you like.
Dad,
I
you
would
want
prefer
screws?
you get all the slime off first before you wash
You want
that, put it in the
screws?
drain.
Oh, it's not really steamy.
be too much clumps and it will
Cute.
Clog the drain or something.
yeah.
What?
Open this one. Oh, there we go.
Oh, I did it myself.
Got it. Nice job.
Get this done. Pretty easy to make slime. Y'all be overcomplicating it.
Dad, if I do this and it sticks to my hand, oh my gosh, why is it yellow?
My hands were yellow.
Come here, and then I'll smack it with the water. So where? Okay. So this, I think, is a more successful slime trip.
This is like the best slime I made and it's not overactivated this
Your
time.
other slime wasn't overactivated.
Your other slime was good. Uh-oh.
Dad!
You can't let this stick to nothing. Maybe I need some more activator.
Yeah. Wait, what's it?
Ah!
Oh, frick. I might get my mom. Don't look at it.
More slime. Sound like I'm slapping the stage. I slap all on the stage.
I thought you were about to say something else.
I think this is a successful slime trip.
It was. Sharon, it's gonna get the serious.
Add a color to it.
Yeah, you add color influences and add it to
Oh my god, Dad.
It'll come on. Y'all.
That's a big bubble. Oh my gosh, and it's another. Oh my gosh, it's sticky
So
now.
now it's not sticking to my hands no more.
It's sticky now.
So
I told you.
Dad.
mix it around, mix it up. I'm adding color.
Unless you
Ooh,
want
now
to
she
add.
has some sparkles.
Yeah.
Don't let it drip like that. Come on. Just mix it up like this. Until it gets more solid.
Yo, mine's not even stretchy no more.
Look, it just touched that paper. Oh. Is that good or bad?
It's not that bad, but it's not stretchy.
It just touched the paper and then it didn't get stuck.
It did get stuck.
Mine, look.
Dad, why would you just
Oh,
do
snap.
that?
It'll come on. Trust.
Oh, it came off. Almost once.
Dad, why would you?
That one.
Dad, I need anything.
Oh, I gotta mix the purple in mine. Pink.
Dad, do you think I should add more activator?
No, I think that you should do this like that.
Wait, should I add some shaving cream?
Easy. Take it easy.
Wait, should I add some shaving cream?
No. If you want to ruin it, go for it.
Man, I want to make some more.
Make some more.
What, we make more?
Oh my god, Dad,
Put the lids back on the colors, please, kids.
Alright, wait on
ooh, I remember
Give me
something.
blue.
I remember something.
Baby blue. Here.
Guys,
Sky blue, it's not baby blue.
Sky blue, I mean.
Yeah.
don't listen.
I do not know which have some clothes with it.
This goes for white.
Dad, did you hear what I said?
I think we got it. What'd you say?
Don't listen to your dad. Split the bowl.
She said, don't listen to your dad when he says don't split the bowl.
Y'all about to make some more chunky
Dad, guess what? We split the bowl when we were with Mom.
Really?
Yes.
What'd she say? Did she say anything? She don't care.
most bad. Hey, we must get fun every single time. Smash the faces.
Patience.
I'll put that in there for now. I gotta have some snot,
No,
y'all.
I don't want some. No, what's it?
Yo, my dad got the one on work call. Kinda sold on this one because I put way too much activator on accident, but I fixed it. It's really Nah, she trying to get us something. Y'all saw this one. This one is not stretch. I accidentally put a lot of activator. Cherry red and dark red.
We are family-friendly family.
I just what?
We are family-friendly family, and you just said a bad word. No, we're cutting that part out.
Y'all, so my color privileges are done because that color exploded. If y'all could see how that happened, you could go look back on the video. Y'all could see me, if y'all could see it, y'all could see me trying to squish it out, and it would not work. So I tried to squish it out, and then the whole cap exploded. Came off. But got some new slime. This one was successful. That was. It's a lot of slime. Yeah, should I make one more? Yeah, I'm gonna make one more. I'm gonna make one
Alright, I'm gonna make another one now.
more. Y'all, I'm gonna make one more too. But it's gonna be small. But y'all, this one's gonna have no color. We have no color privileges for today.
Most definitely.
My hand is not good.
Okay. Oh my gosh. That's not what
So put it down. Can you pour some activator for me, please? I'll tell you what's up.
Crazy with the slime. Kenny, they can't even see your slime. You gotta move this stuff out the way. They have went absolutely berserk with the slime,
No, this
guys.
is my slime turned into, what you call it?
Put the cap on here
Brown.
so it don't fall.
I need more.
Yeah, I need more activator.
Okay, don't do no more color without me.
What about me?
Especially you.
Wow. I didn't bust anything.
You didn't, but I don't want your food. That's what I don't want you to do.
Sharon. This is one of my most successful ones. My stretchiest. Yeah, this was my most successful slime so far. That. Chuck, you need help.
quarter?
So we're getting to the end of the video, and I hope that y'all all are enjoying us making slime. Hit us
We're gonna go to the moon.
point to the moon. Look at this.
Yeah, I mixed all of it. Okay, there you
It's
go.
a bowl full of slime.
Yep.
Did you hear this kid? He said, "Go next time we're gonna go to the moon."
Going to the moon and back.
Y'all, next time we're gonna go to the moon, so stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned.
But I want mine to be clear, like clear, sparkly.
John, for it to be clear, you have to let that sit in the bowl for a little bit.
You gotta watch the video and do that.
Yeah, I don't really know how to do. I'll watch the video. You're gonna let us. You gotta let it sit in the bowl.
Do we need clear slime for that?
No.
We just need what we have already. The same tools that we already have.
Ooh, okay.
You have to make white slime shell, then you have to let it sit in the bowl for a couple of minutes. I'm pretty sure 'cause that's what I saw on YouTube.
Then you gotta let all the air pockets come out of it.
But yeah, then it'll become clear. Y'all better not. Coffee? Who makes coffee?
I drink coffee.
Coffee's nasty. Last time I drank coffee, I had to plug my nose because I was bad as hell. And then I had to throw up.
Alright. I'm gonna add this color and this color. Christmas red and como hacer taco todo.
What's up?
Y'all, I'm gonna put my name on.
Put some pressure and roll it.
These little
There you go. Bust my eardrums. But come back for the next arts and crafts thing that we do. We don't know what video we're gonna do yet, but we will let you know, and we will come back and let you see what we got going on. It's the Walker family checking out. Peace.
Peace out, brother Noah.
Brother Noah.
Brother Noah.
Yeah.
Brother Noah.
We got that.
Brother Noah.
We got that slime, boy.
Brother Noah.
Brother.
Brother Noah.
Peace.
Peace out, y'all.